someone is being nice to you doesn't mean their intentions are nice too. It's you versus you. It's you who is going to take that pain. It's you who is going to suffer that pain. It's you who is going to recover from that pain. Move your body. I started with the dance workouts. I did some workout and it literally felt so good.
But you should know that at the end, if it is not supporting your mental health,
It's something you won't realize right now, but you will realize later. That's what I did.
waste them on the things that really matters to you, and maybe if they don't matter you right now, they will in the future, you know.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I really hope you guys are doing absolutely great, and my name is Khwahish. Today when I'm recording this video, like when I'm filming this video, it's 31st of December 2025, which basically means it's the last day of this year, and in few hours we are going to enter in 2026. Today in this video I'll be going to talk about few lessons that I learned this year, and I would be really happy if you could take away anything from this video. And yeah, without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Okay, so starting with the number one is restarting is not embarrassing. If to give you like a little bit of quick story, I actually been doing YouTube from like it's been a while. I mean, when I was done with my graduation, when I was done with the college and everything, I started a YouTube channel back then. I mean, it's been 3 to 4 years that I have been struggling to, kind of do this. I literally have 6 to 7 Gmails just because of YouTube.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
कि मतलब मुझे ये था कि I want to do YouTube. I was like,
I want to be that person.
ए रहा नहीं जाता, तड़प ही ऐसी है ना.
I was so much obsessed with it that I literally made 6 to 7 Gmails. Why? Because I made 6 to 7 YouTube channels. And I posted videos, I deleted channel, I then did the same and repeated the loop, thinking that no, this is not working out. No, ye acha nahi hai, I will try something, and I just kept on doing that. And in that loop, sometimes exams na jana, so I won't post video, and then I will post like a month later, and then there is no reach or whatever.
वो वैसे भी नहीं थी.
ਹੱਸਦੇ ਚਿਹਰਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਇਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਕਿ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਦੇ ਕੋਈ ਤਕਲੀਫ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦੀ.
Still, I used to think this. If I talk about the Insta is something I started using when I actually started working. So for making content on Insta, I kind of had this thing in my mind that if I am not going to post on Insta, how am I going to grow my YouTube channel? I mean, there was so many things going on. So I started with Insta as well. So basically, I restarted many times. And talking about Insta, I mean, YouTube पे ऐसा है कि you share your channel and then you tell people to subscribe. That's what I used to do. But now I don't do anything like that. रही बात Insta की, somewhere your known people will find you on Insta. I don't know. Like I made my ID from my name, from my number, and somehow your known will find you, and you'll see that people are following you from your known. You are making content there, and then you're like, I literally restarted many times. Especially YouTube is something. Insta baby, I started one account. I posted so many videos, but then I deleted the account thinking I'm not doing enough, kind of a feeling. So I started again like a new Insta account, and then I'm posting videos there, by the way. But I just want to say that restarting is not embarrassing. If you're thinking that you actually want to restart something you did, and then now you are thinking should I restart it, but you really want to do that, please just go for it, because usko sochte you are just wasting your time, and obviously the time is not going to come back. Obviously you will be just in that loop of thinking that should I start or not. You just have to, because if not you, who is going to take that thing, who is going to take that responsibility of yours? So yeah, restarting is never embarrassing, because if you're having fun with it, who cares? If you love what you're doing, who cares? Moving on to the number 2, I'm thinking you people might get bored of me just sitting and yapping throughout this time. So I'm thinking just to do just some kind of things. Like my bed is a mess right now, so I'll be just cleaning it and telling you guys. Okay, so the number 2 is, if someone is being nice to you doesn't mean their intentions are nice too. I don't know if it's about boys as well, but especially when it comes to girls, I literally know that how emotional fool one can be. To be honest, if someone is being nice to you, it doesn't mean like it does not mean their intentions are nice too. It's just that they're being nice to you. They're talking nicely to you. Doesn't mean that their intentions are meant good for you. They mean good for you, or you don't know. Like you never know what they're actually be thinking, about you. So always just maintain boundary, maintain that line. You will be always needing it, because it's a thing. When someone is being nice to us, we literally give our 200% to that person, because we just need them. We just want to talk to them or maybe spend time with them. But just mind my words, you literally need to have a boundary, or maybe you literally need to draw a line that not everybody you're talking to is nice. Moving on, the next point is basically
हाँ ये कर लो पहले.
move your body. I know this is something very obvious. This is something, again, I realized very late, itna late that this is the end of this year.
Nice.
Like literally the end ही है. Move your body even if you don't want to. I mean, there will be times when you literally don't want to even get up from the bed. Phone आ गया. मम्मी मासी का phone आ रहा है. Just like today, I'm just giving you an example. Today, since I want to lose some weight, this is something I'm really looking forward in 2026 to, to work on. I could have just, slept because it's a holiday. It was holiday of mine, and I thought कि भाई ऐसे ही पड़े रहते हैं. So I could be, but I kind of stand up. I kind of made myself breakfast and tried to, think about it. And I thought about it like ऐसे एकदम सोचा मैंने कि I literally want to not just get the breakfast done, but also want to move my body. And that's what I did. I started with the dance workout, and it literally felt so good. I mean, it's just about this. It's just about the mindset, to be honest. This is what I think. If you know you can, you will. It's something you won't realize right now, but you will realize later. That's what I did. So move your body more often. Moving on to the next point we have is it's you versus you. Honestly, this year there were days that I kept thinking that maybe it's me versus someone, because I have been comparing like a lot myself, and I think this is basic human nature, that when we are in the same field of anything, we start comparing ourselves with others. I feel like that comparing is something not going to let you anywhere, because at the end it's you versus you. It's you who is going to take that pain. It's you who is going to suffer that pain. It's you who is going to recover from that pain. Literally feel that apart from your family, there is no one who is going to come and help you at the moment when you're literally broke. You should be the competition of yourself, not anyone else.
Okay, now I'm with my mic and I really hope I'm sounding much better, because इसकी बैटरी तभी low हो गई जब I really wanted it to not,
हमारे यहाँ ऐसा ही होता है.
Okay, moving on to the next one we have is protect your peace. I don't know if, wait, मैं light on कर लूँ थोड़ी सी पहले. Much better. I know this also might sound very basic, very, outdated maybe, or overrated, but this is what it is. You can literally talk to someone endlessly, ठीक है, कभी कितनी भी बातें करो, but you should know that at the end, if it is not supporting your mental health, if it is something not helping you grow, if it is something, blocking the areas you want to explore, or maybe blocking the areas you should be learning, or the growth factor, basically, you can literally get rid of the people. I mean, your peace, your mental health should be the priority. I don't know how cliche I might sound saying this, but your peace should be yours. You should be the one responsible to protect it, even if it means blocking or getting rid of the people you were always close with, or maybe you were always meant to be close with. अब हम थोड़ा सा बैठ जाते हैं, because कितना ही घूमेंगे,
मैं तो थक गई भाई साहब.
Okay, now moving on, we have is build hobbies. Like literally build hobbies, make yourself busy, make yourself involved in the things you should be, because to be honest, your time, your energy is something very important, something you should be investing in, because the more hobbies you have, the more busy you are. The more busy you are, the more people will know how to respect your time, how to respect your energy, because you are spending it in the right way. You always wanted to learn dance, do it. You always wanted to learn singing, do it. Whatever you always wanted to make a YouTube channel, just do it. Do it, because there is never a perfect moment. So just take the moment and make it perfect. Okay, now that's it for the video, because बहुत बोल लिया मैंने, and this video is just like a rant video, I would say, but these are the lessons I really wanted to talk about. So yeah, that's it. I really hope you guys have a great new year. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, stay safe, take care, and bye bye.